Most people completely misunderstand how easy it can be to start a business in Europe. And Georgia might be one of the biggest hidden opportunities that almost nobody is paying attention to. Because when most people think about opening a company abroad, they imagine complicated bureaucracy, high taxes, and months of paperwork. But here's the surprising truth. Georgia has quietly built one of the fastest, simplest, and most entrepreneur-friendly business environments in the world. And yet, most people still overlook it. And this is exactly where Michael's story begins. Michael is a freelance digital marketer from California. For years, he's been working online, managing clients across different countries. His income is growing, but so are his frustrations. High taxes, complex regulations, constant administrative headaches. He starts looking for alternatives. At first, he considers the usual options: Estonia, Dubai, maybe even Singapore. But then he hears something unexpected. A friend tells him, "You should look into Georgia." At first he laughs it off. Georgia? Really? But something about that suggestion sticks in his mind. And that's where things get interesting. Because once Michael starts researching, he discovers something that changes everything. Georgia is consistently ranked as one of the easiest places in the world to start a business. In many cases, you can register a company in just one day. One day. And that's when he asks the question that most people never fully explore. What does it actually take to register an LLC in Georgia? And this is where things start to shift. Because while Georgia makes the process simple, there are still important details that most people miss. And missing those details can cost you time, money, and opportunity. So let's walk through this together. Step by step. Exactly like Michael did. Imagine you're in his position. You've decided to start a company in Georgia. What's the first move? It starts with understanding the structure. In Georgia, the equivalent of an LLC is called a limited liability company, just like in many other countries. And the benefits are clear. Limited liability means your personal assets are protected. If the business faces financial issues, your personal finances are not directly at risk. That alone is a powerful reason to choose this structure. But here's where things get interesting. Georgia doesn't just offer a standard LLC system. It offers flexibility that most countries don't. And this small detail makes a huge difference. For example, there's no requirement for a local partner. You can own 100% of your company as a foreigner. Michael didn't expect that. In many countries, foreign ownership comes with restrictions. But in Georgia, the system is designed to attract international entrepreneurs. And that changes the entire game. Now let's move to the next step. Choosing a company name. Sounds simple, right? But here's the problem. Your chosen name must be unique and approved by the National Agency of Public Registry. If it's already taken or too similar to an existing company, it will be rejected. Michael submits his first choice. Rejected. Then his second. Also rejected. Each rejection delays his process. But there's a smarter way to handle this. You check name availability in advance and prepare multiple options. This small step saves time and keeps things moving. And this is a pattern you'll notice throughout this process. Small details, big impact. Now, once your name is approved, the next step is preparing your company documents. Here's where Georgia stands out again. Unlike many countries, the documentation requirements are relatively simple. You'll need a charter document that outlines your company's structure, ownership, and activities. But here's where things can go very wrong. If your documents are unclear or incomplete, you can face delays. David learned this the hard way. He assumed that because the process was simple, he didn't need professional help. He submitted his documents, and they were rejected due to minor errors. Those small mistakes cost him time. But once he corrected them, the process moved forward quickly. And this is where the key insight comes in. Simple does not mean careless. Now, let's move forward. Once your documents are ready, you submit them to the public registry. And here's where things get really interesting. In Georgia, this process is incredibly fast. In many cases, registration can be completed within one business day. Let that sink in. One day. But this is also where things can go very wrong. If your documents are incorrect, that one-day process can turn into multiple days or even weeks. And this is where precision becomes your advantage. Now let's talk about something most people don't think about: your company address. In Georgia, you need a legal address for your business. This can be a physical office or a registered address provided by a service provider. Emily handled this smartly. Instead of renting an expensive office, she used a legal address service. This allowed her to keep costs low while staying compliant. And that decision gave her flexibility. But here's the problem. Some entrepreneurs overlook this requirement and delay their registration. And that's where things can slow down. Now let's move to the next step: opening a bank account. Once your company is registered, you'll need a business bank account to operate. And this is where things get interesting again. Georgia has a modern banking system, but banks still require proper documentation and verification. Jessica experienced this firsthand. She assumed opening an account would be instant. It wasn't. She needed to provide identification, company documents, and sometimes proof of business activity. But once everything was in place, the process became smooth. And that's the pattern you need to understand. Every step becomes easier once you know what to expect. Now, let's talk about taxes. Because this is one of the biggest reasons people choose Georgia. Georgia offers a unique tax system called the Estonian model. Here's how it works. You only pay corporate tax when you distribute profits. If you reinvest your profits back into the business, you pay zero corporate tax. 0.de. This is where things get very interesting. Michael realized that this system allowed him to grow his business faster. Instead of losing money to taxes every year, he could reinvest and scale. But here's the problem. Many people misunderstand how this system works. They assume it means no taxes at all. That's not true. Taxes apply when profits are distributed. And this is where strategy becomes important. Now let's talk about compliance. Because this is where things can get dangerous. Even though Georgia makes business easy, you still need to maintain proper accounting and file reports. Daniel ignored this at first. He focused on growing his business and overlooked compliance. The result? Penalties and stress. But once he hired an accountant, everything stabilized. And that stability allowed him to focus on growth again. Now let's zoom out. At this point, you've chosen a name, prepared documents, registered your company, opened a bank account, and understood the tax system. It sounds like a lot. But here's the insight most people never realize. Georgia removes most of the barriers that stop people from starting a business. The real challenge is not the system. It's the mindset. If you hesitate, you miss the opportunity. If you take action, you move forward. And this is where the identity shift happens. You're no longer someone overwhelmed by international business. You're someone who understands how to navigate it. And that changes everything. But there's one more thing we need to talk about. Residency and visas. Because many entrepreneurs want to live in Georgia while running their business. And here's where things get interesting again. Georgia offers flexible visa options and even a program for entrepreneurs to stay longer. Michael took advantage of this. He visited Georgia, set up his company, and eventually applied for residency. And that decision gave him more control over his lifestyle and business. But here's the problem. Many people don't plan this step in advance. And that can create complications. Now let's bring everything together. Registering an LLC in Georgia is not just about paperwork. It's about understanding a system designed to support entrepreneurs. A system that rewards speed, simplicity, and smart decision-making. If you rush without understanding, you risk mistakes. If you approach it strategically, you unlock powerful advantages. And that's the difference between those who struggle and those who succeed. Because at the end of the day, it's not about finding the most popular place to start a business. It's about finding the right place. And Georgia might just be one of the smartest choices you can make. Low taxes. Fast registration. Full ownership. Flexible systems. But only if you understand how to use them. So if you're thinking about starting your own LLC in Georgia, remember this. Take action. Pay attention to the details. And build your foundation correctly. Because once you do, you're not just starting a company. You're creating a platform for growth, freedom, and opportunity. and that's a move that can change your entire future. If you found this guide helpful and want more videos that break down complex global opportunities like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Because the more you understand, the more powerful your decisions become. And that's how real progress begins.